Faraday Future just announced a private preview and co-creation event for its highly anticipated FX Super One. It's scheduled for Sunday, June 29th at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Time in the Los Angeles area. The event is tailored for 5 key groups, including FF stockholders and investors, B2B sales partners, global supply chain partners, media, and key opinion leaders. The FX Super One is being called an affordable mass-market AIMPV designed for families, celebrities, entrepreneurs, and industry leaders, reimagining luxury mobility. It's said to feature a spacious interior with high-end materials and advanced technology, meant to prioritize passenger comfort with amenities like spacious seating, ambient lighting, and premium entertainment systems. FF expected to have the first vehicles off the line by the end of 2025. The private preview will be offering attendees a first-hand look at FX Super One's innovation and design philosophy, while the large-scale public launch event on July 17th, called the Super One First Online Global Product Launch, opens to audiences worldwide. Faraday Future's FX brand has made significant strides in its B2B sales strategy, announcing a major advancement during the company's FFAI Stockholders' Day on May 31st. Representatives from the first group of B2B partners, including JC Auto, Skyhorse Auto, New PBB Auto, Creato Rev Agency, and Good Deal World, expressed strong confidence and support for the company and its global automotive bridge strategy. Notably, Faraday Future signed binding deposit agreements with 2 U.S.-based influencer marketing agencies, Creato Rev Agency and Good Deal World, totaling 600 FX Super One units. These agencies will also collaborate as paid co-creation partners, promoting the first-class AIMPV experience through their influencers. This brings the total B2B binding deposits for the FX Super One to over 2,500 non-binding pre-orders, indicating strong demand for the vehicle. This innovative co-creation model represents a world first in the global auto industry, where an automaker and digital creators collaborate in an end-to-end B2B2C ecosystem. FX's B2B pre-orders span 3 major verticals: the FF PAR program, commercial rental and livery fleet companies, and live-stream e-commerce influencer marketing agencies. Faraday Future plans to expand FX distribution across 8 strategic states in the U.S., including California, New York, Florida, Texas, Washington, New Jersey, Nevada, and Massachusetts. The company aims to disrupt the market dominance of established vehicles like the Cadillac Escalade. According to YT Jia, FF founder and global co-CEO, the B2B business is a critical starting point for sales and a strategic pillar of FX expansion. Leo Li, president of New PBB Auto, expressed confidence in the new FX product, stating, "I am extremely confident in this new FX product. That's why I am willing to pay for a good product." For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.